Good morning, children. Today we will start chapter 4, that is basic problems of an economy. Now children, the first question that comes in your mind, what is economic problem? So economic problem is the problem regarding allocation of limited resources for the production of different goods and services. Now children, as you know, human wants are unlimited, but the means which can satisfy these wants are limited. For example, you can't buy 10 candy bars if the store only has 5 candy bars, isn't it? So children, unlimited wants and limited resources gives rise to scarcity, and scarcity leads to choice, which means it is the situation when people wants exceed their resources. Okay, so scarcity is the fundamental problem of every society. And what does choice means? Choice means people have to give up one thing in order to get some other thing. For example, the students have to choose between buying a hamburger or a cold drink with a given amount of pocket money. The people of a country must choose between spending more on health care or more on other things. A government with a given amount of resources has to choose between using more resources for the production of military goods or in providing education. Now this is all about economic problem. Now how does the economic problem arise? So the basic economic problem is the problem of choice. So this choice arises because of 3 interrelated basic facts of life. So first one is unlimited wants. Unlimited human wants, they are unlimited, and human wants are multiple and they tend to multiply over time. In fact, our wants also keep recurring. For instance, our hunger may be satisfied for some time, but we have taken our meal, but we will feel hungry again after a few hours. So this means wants are recurring. However, wants differ in their intensity. Means some wants are more urgent while others are less pressing. Now next, let's come to the point, limited resources. While human wants are unlimited, resources available to satisfy human wants are limited. The resources of a society consist of land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. These productive resources are called factors of production because they are used in producing goods and services. Labor is limited by the size of population, land is limited by the area of the country, capital and technology are limited by the scarcity of various inputs required for their production. And the last one is resources have alternative uses. An important characteristic of resources is that they can be put to alternative uses. For example, a piece of land can be used to produce wheat, vegetables, etc. It is just like the evening time of the students. They can use it either to study or to play. So this implies that with the limited resources and with their alternative uses, the economy can decide to produce more amount of some commodities and less amount of others. So children, I think you have understood. So next day we will be continuing with basic problems of an economy.